In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Squarespace. If you're new to Squarespace or just looking to enhance your skills, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and make this process seamless and straightforward. First, let's begin by navigating to Squarespace. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. If you haven't already logged in, you'll want to do so now, providing your account details to gain access to your site's dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see the interface with various options to manage your website. Next, you'll need to click on the Get Started button. This step is crucial as it guides you into setting up or accessing the different functionalities of your website. After clicking Get Started, you'll find yourself in the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, let's get to the heart of the task. Go to the page where you want to upload the image. To do this, simply click on Website, located on the left-hand menu, then select Pages. You will see a list of your site's pages appear on the screen. Scroll through and find the specific page where you wish to add your image. Once you've selected the desired page, it's time to add a new content block to host your image. Look for the small plus icon, typically located at the bottom of your content section. Clicking this icon will present you with multiple block options. Since we're focused on images, choose the image block from the list that appears. With the image block ready, you have several options at your disposal. You can either drag and drop your image directly into the block or click to select it from your computer. This option is straightforward and allows you to upload an image from your files seamlessly. Alternatively, if you've previously uploaded images to your Squarespace site, you can choose from those existing files. If neither of these options suits your needs, consider selecting a free stock image from the library Squarespace provides, offering a variety of high-quality images for use. Now that your image is in place, it's time to adjust and style it to fit the aesthetic of your website. You can resize it, add captions, or even apply different filters and adjustments to ensure it aligns perfectly with your page's design. Take your time to experiment with these settings until you achieve the desired look. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save to ensure your changes are recorded. Don't forget to click Publish as well, which will make the image live on your website for everyone to see. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to uploading images in Squarespace. By following these instructions, you'll be able to enhance your website's visual appeal in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!